During a negotiation, how much do you care about the satisfaction of the other party? Unfortunately, too often we do not care enough about the satisfaction of the other party. My name is Giuseppe Conti, I'm a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. I did a survey with 109 senior procurement professionals from different continents, 68% male, 32% female, and I asked them to rank 20 key behaviors of effective negotiators. Ensuring the satisfaction of the other party was ranked last. In reality, there are benefits in making sure that the other party is satisfied. For instance, the implementation is going to go much better. In business you deal with people over time, you will deal with them again and again, and by having the other party satisfied, you can count on the fact that the implementation will be smooth. The second benefit is that by having another party satisfied, you can trade the satisfaction today for benefits tomorrow. You can tell them, listen, this time you got a very good deal, but next time you will have to help me when I have a problem. The third point is by having the other party satisfied, you build your reputation as a fair negotiator, and as a result there will be more people that want to work with you, you will have more alternatives, and therefore you will strengthen your partner over time. Now, how do you ensure that the other party is satisfied? Let me share with you 5 ideas that can help you in that respect. Start high. This gives you room for concession, and the other party likes to see you making concession. Listen to them. Treat them fairly. Give good explanations. It is important that you give a rationale whenever you ask for something or whenever you're making a concession. And then explain that the concessions are painful to you. Last one, highlight your concession. What you want to do is explain to the other party that you're really making an effort in order to make a concession for them. For more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.